I'm going to show you some ways of solving one-step equations with multiplication or division. Our first problem is x divided by -7 equals 15. So our first step is to get x, the variable, by itself. I am going to move -7 to the other side to isolate our variable x. And then you ask yourself, how are you going to move -7? So right now it's division, so we want to do the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by -7. When I multiply -7 times 1 over -7, that cancels, it becomes just 1. I'm left with x on this side of the equal sign. And then I multiply -15 times -7, and I'm left with -105, which is my answer. 8d equals -16. Same thing. Which number am I going to move to the other side? So I look, d is right next to -8, which means multiplication. So to move the -8 to the other side, we're going to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by -8. -8 divided by -8 is 1, so we say that cancels. And I'm left with d equals 2. The last example, 3y equals -12. Which number am I going to move to the other side? The 3 or the -12? I'm going to move the 3. So if I move the 3, how am I going to move it? Right now they're using multiplication. The opposite or inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it cancels. -12 divided by 3 is -4, so y equals -4.